Okay, this is a video I'm creating for a friend. They're using VSDC video editor, and they were wondering how I get the multi-panel view function, basically like a Brady Bunch style thing where you have multiple videos going simultaneously. So this video I'm going to try and break down how to do this. I am not a video editing person. I'm not an expert at this. As a result of the pandemic, I've just been learning how to do this to keep musical stuff going, so I'm completely self-taught in all of this. So bear with me, and feel free to offer additional insight in the comments below if you have a better way of going about this process. But my understanding of this is that you do the following. So you can see here I've got two different videos already up in a multi-panel view. We're going to start from scratch, and I'm going to get us back to this view in just a second, but to start from scratch I'm going to delete these. The first step is you want to make sure you select the add video icon. Now it's going to open whatever your most recent project was, or at least it should. This is a video with four different individual videos of four different musicians playing. So let's go ahead. I'm going to select the bass player's video first. When I select this, you'll see that the video takes up the entire frame. However, you'll notice that there's a dashed frame here that allows you to manipulate it as need be, so I can minimize or maximize it accordingly. So let's say I want to do this. Right? Now, to do what I just did, you need to make sure that the selection tool is selected from your toolbar. Okay, so we've got one video. That's all fine and good. Let's say we want to go ahead and add the guitar part. So we do the same thing. Add video. We're going to add the guitar player's video. And same process. Now, one thing you'll notice is that the guitar player's video was taken on his phone using the portrait function rather than the landscape like the bass player did. How do we fix this? Well, the first and most important step is this. If you're happy with the way the video looks right now, we can begin rotating. But if you're not and you want to make edits to the visuals on this video, you first want to go to Editor, go to the Crop Tools icon here, select that, and then while it's in this form, the default that downloaded as, go ahead and make the adjustments. Let's say I don't want all of the wall up here and I just want the performer and his guitar. So I'm going to go ahead and essentially move this over to deselect all of this space up here. Click OK to save my changes. Voila. Once you're happy with those changes, to get it into a similar landscape portion, you can use the rotate 90 degrees function, and voila, there we have it. And then of course you can move around as you please. So that's essentially it. Pretty straightforward function. One thing I'd like to add, and this is a nice thing about this program, is that you can actually lock into other frames. For example, I can lock into that, and it does a pretty good job of lining up with it. Now that's about all I know regarding this, so best of luck to my friend. And if anyone is more of a VSDC video editor expert, or somebody from VSDC and they have a better approach to doing this, please do not hesitate to make a comment in the comments section below. Again, I am completely self-taught in this and not an expert, so any and all feedback is greatly welcomed. Thanks.